Hi guys, just a quick status update on the CNC mill. It's all moving and working fine apart from the main spindle now, which is just down on our right hand side down there. That's working fine, I just need to bolt it in. So I just wanted to do a bit of a show and tell and run some G-code. So if you look down here, I'm using Fusion 360 to just do a simple little program to try to get some nice fast movement. So I've set quite high rapid speeds for the whole job. You can see all the boring on the inside. So I chucked that on a USB and I put it inside my controller. So it's actually, if we look in here, it's actually moving right now. It's halfway through. It's actually driving around now. But actually, yeah, I'll just run it because I can. So that's running at 100% now of what it should be. So if you look at the graphics, it's just running around. And then I'll keep my hand on that e-stop. Okay. So right now it's trying to do a big circle. And I'm getting a bit of a whine from my x-axis, but yeah, that's right. So yeah, that's about it. It works. Woohoo!